I bought a crashed Evo 7 and I probably should have potted it out, but instead we rebuilt it. And this is the quick recap on that. You see, 2.5 years ago, I was working full time and I was looking for a project to do after work. And this Mitsubishi Evolution 7 came up on Facebook for a very good price. But the only problem was I had very little mechanical knowledge, so I called my friend Sam to see if he would want to duo up to repair this car. And he said yes. So we bought it, and this is how it looked when we first bought it. And to be honest, we didn't have the exact story of what happened in the crash, but from what it sounds like is he went up against a railing on a road or a highway, and it completely scratched and cracked the full front end. So we ended up taking the front end off and buying a whole new front end, which was red. And so we sanded it down, spray painted it with midnight purple rattle cans, and made it one color. Looking back, yeah, it's definitely not the best paint job in the world, but hey, it does the job, and that works for me. After that, we replaced almost every single suspension component on the left-hand side of the car and sent off for a roadworthy inspection, where it did fail. So we fixed everything, took it back, and finally got it road legal and fully registered in Victoria. But of course, my TikTok dopamine brain wasn't satisfied, so I installed a full 3-inch exhaust intake and a pod filter, which honestly sounds so hot. Then I decided it still wasn't enough, so I installed a GFB blower valve, and that brings us to where we are today.
Today we're gonna be doing, oh my goodness, that looks so cool. It's like the double, that's like an illusion. Today we're gonna be doing another hill run in the Evo, but this time with proper audio, because last time the audio was trash, and so we have to get better audio, and now it does look like there's something else on my head, but it's not that. Oh my goodness, and we get such weird looks today. I mean, it is what it is, right? All for the audio again. I'm gonna go for it. Imagine walking into a store like this. Hey, yeah, I just like to pay for an apple. Alright, well, let's go on the Evo and get this freaking... Let's go on this hill run. Oh my goodness, this looks so weird. Eyes in the sky, gazing far. Alright, so I've taken the little highly regarded, kind regards thing off my head and I put it here. That's a better location. I look less like weird. I'm still gonna get hella weird looks, but it's gotta be better, right? Wait, I gotta make sure I got like full movement of my head. Oh my goodness, it still sounds just as good as the day I left. What? No, it still sounds just as good. Now, the weather isn't perfect by any means, but it's not awful by any means, so we kind of get like a little weird middle ground. A civilian with a GoPro on their head is definitely unusual. And why am I doing this? I just want to go for the Evo for a drive and freak it, you know what? And I missed this light. Oh, I missed this light. That's so freaking annoying. Oh, it's going to be so embarrassing to sit in this light with a GoPro on, dude. Oh, how embarrassing, man. Oh, it's still too fun! I'm hoping you guys can hear me. We're keeping it chill. My truck gonna love this. Oh, he loved that one. It's 80 here. Hang on. That means there's a pool coming up. That is too fun. I can't explain that feeling. It's just the whooching. Oh, we're gonna form 2 lanes. Oh my goodness, that's so brutal. This guy's not letting me in. C is not letting me in, dude. That's fair enough. I was actually the here, so I sped up. You know what? That's fine. So technically, we didn't do anything wrong there, but that was a little bit obnoxious. Am I having a blast? I'm having a blast. It's a red light? Okay, can we get any snipes here? Honestly, left lane's a finesse here, I'm not gonna cap. Okay, we can't go on the far left, but we can go here. Can Mercs be undercover highway? Freak, I hope not. Oh, no, the Merc. Nah, the Merc did a finesse. Like, he didn't really gain anything from that finesse. He got one car in front and now we're all stuck behind the same driver. So, was that pointless? I think so. Oh, the first corner! This corner is like somewhat tight, not too tight. It feels like a racetrack. Oh man! That is too good! Yeah, let's suss the road conditions. Very, very dirty, but we won't go for a spirited drive. It'll be like a more chill kind of ride. Hopefully get some nice blower fell sounds. The weather didn't say it was rainy, so this is kind of disappointing, but oh well. Freak it. Wait, cue the NCS music. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I guess it's time to go. Hopefully it's not too bad. We might go to some gravel roads because this is less than ideal. Wet conditions, so that does mean a little slower than usual, which is course a little sad, but you gotta be careful. And after last video, we all know why we gotta be careful. I love having a truck up my ass when we're not even on the roads yet. This truck is gonna get finna gapped. Sometimes that's just the way it's gotta be, little darling. 25 recommended around this corner, so we're gonna go 25. But now we're not. It's too wet, man. I gotta get slower on these corners because I don't know how slippery it is, and it's a little slippery. Oh, it's so slippery, man. I'm gonna try to go up the mountain, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look, we're behind a driver. You don't want to be you know what I'm saying? So we can just keep it chill. He's kind of sending it though. He's feeling the pressure. No, bro, no pressure. I don't want you going off.
And then I head to some private dirt roads.
Oh, here we go. It's actually not ideal. There's so many potholes. Holy crap, potholes check. Yeah, thanks for sticking to the end. The Evo is actually driving quite well and I'm enjoying it thoroughly. I really want to chuck a bigger turbo in it and some injectors and a fuel pump and give it a tune. But I also want to keep it kind of OEM plus, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to go too big because I know once I get the bigger turbo, then, you know, you start entering the rabbit hole and I don't want to enter that rabbit hole. It's at a fun power level right now, but it could definitely have a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it for today. And yeah, hope you all have a great rest of your night, day, evening, morning, sunrise, sunset. But yeah.